สวัสดีจ้ะหนูชื่ออะไรจ๊ะ Hi what's your name little girl สวัสดีค่ะหนูชื่อนาตาลีค่ะ Hi my name is Natalie หนูอยู่ประเทศอะไรจ๊ะ Which country are you from หนูอยู่ประเทศสิงคโปร์ค่ะ I live in Singapore หนูอายุเท่าไหร่จ๊ะ How old are you หนูอายุ8 ขวบค่ะ I'm 8 years old In Thai language there are so many ways to use personal pronouns and oftentimes personal pronouns is even omitted. You may be curious about the word หนู หนู If you learned this word before, it means rat or mouse. You may keep hearing people around you using the word หนู หนู is I for female speaker. Oftentimes it's used by little girl like few years old, or it can also be used for young lady as long as they are talking to someone much older than them. Next time you watch Thai movie, do watch out for personal pronouns in Thai language. There are so many of them. This is just one example.